everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. Today we're diving into the vibrant spirit of Mardi Gras with a special collaboration featuring Ice You Crafty Kids Club and Cynthia Porter Studio. Join me as I transform this simple glass bottle into a stunning lamp that captures the essence of the exhilarating celebration of Mardi Gras. And let's not forget, all it takes is $1 and a dream. Join our membership today. Become part of our special community. And here's a little teaser for you. Something extra special from Let's Resin that I'll be using in today's project. Their cutting-edge wireless UV light. Although I'll be diving into a full unboxing later this week, you'll get to see it in action today as we craft our Mardi Gras lamp. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell so you don't miss out on the full reveal. Be sure to stick around. We have a Bondcraftor UV Resin giveaway later on. Video. You must be wondering what you're seeing before you. So, this is the name of the company, and it's the same company that I purchased the turntable from. That 15 or was that 16-inch turntable. Yes, so they also have these beautiful lamps, well, lamp shades, and you can turn any bottle that you own into a beautiful light. A simple, easy way to make a lamp. So, this is how you charge it up as a charger. And look how easy this, look at this. This is how you do that. And then we plug that in. Or we turn this on, I'm sorry, we screw that on. And, oops. How it has different shit. Look, if we do it once, look at that. And then it goes off. So, how awesome is that? And what are we going to do today? We're going to take this off of here right now. And I'm going to disconnect this. Oops. Because first, first, we're going to put a beautiful design on here. Then we're going to put a matching design here. And we are going to paint up this beautiful bottle in UV resin. Bondcraftor has been kind enough to offer 3 sets of UV resin as a giveaway on my channel. You just need to follow the directions. You must be a subscriber to my channel and to the Bondcraftor channel on YouTube. Please comment in the post page under Bondcraftor giveaway and put subscribed in the USA. Bondcraftor will be picking the winners. I will post the 3 winners in a future video. You have until Saturday, March 8th, midnight Pacific to enter. Good luck, everyone. I got from Bondcraftor. Okay, so I'm going to be using, this is a Transfer Me paper, and it's Dress My Craft, and I got this from Apryl, and I'm going to put her link down below. She was having a big sale, selling out all of her things from her Etsy shop, and I picked up some amazing things from her. So So this is a larger item. Obviously, I'm not going to use it at that size, but I thought, why can't I cut this in half and use half of it on here? Oops. I guess this is going to keep happening to me, but that's okay. I'm going to use half of it here. That's going to work out. And then the other part I'm going to be putting on my bottle. So I'm going to speed you up from here, and I'm going to give you some great information about Mardi Gras. Because you know this couldn't just be an instructional video. So Mardi Gras, also known as Fat Tuesday, is the grand finale of the Carnival season. A period of celebration that begins on the 12th night. And for those of you who don't know, the 12th night is January 6th. Yep, going all the way back to the 3 wise men reaching the baby Jesus. This culminates the day before Ash Wednesday, rooted deeply in Christian traditions. Mardi Gras is celebrated most famously in New Orleans, but has connections to similar carnival festivals worldwide. It's not only about beads and drinking, you know. In New Orleans, Mardi Gras unfolds with a series of balls and parades unparalleled in splendor. The sounds of brass bands and the air sparkles with beads tossed from elaborate floats of crews, social clubs, responsible for organizing these parades. Each crew brings its own flair to the festivities, crafting a parade theme that is a spectacular of creativity and craftsmanship. Mardi Gras and New Orleans is a pairing as iconic as paint and canvas, or as a resin and a mold. But how did this vibrant celebration become the heart and soul of the Big Easy? Let's journey back a little bit in time and uncover the roots of Mardi Gras in this unique city. Mardi Gras, or Fat Tuesday, traces its origins to medieval Europe, with festive customs preceding Lent that spread from Rome to France and beyond. It was the French who brought these traditions to America in the 17th century. And by 1699, when the French explorers landed near what's now New Orleans, they brought the celebration with them. The site of their landing was fittingly named Point du Mardi Gras. However, it wasn't until the early 19th century that the Mardi Gras started to resemble the elaborate festival we see today. In 1827, a group of students, inspired by lively carnivals they've witnessed in Paris, donned colorful costumes and danced through the streets of New Orleans. This act of public revelry sowed the seeds for the city's modern Mardi Gras parades. Thus, the birth of parades and crews. The official Mardi Gras began in 1837, but the real transformation came with the formation of the secret societies, the clubs known as crews. These crews organized the floats, parades, and the balls that have become central to the celebration. The first and one of the most famous crews, The Mystic Cruise of Comus was established in 1857, bringing a new level of sophistication with its nighttime parade and thematic mystical representations. Did you know the official colors of Mardi Gras, purple, green, and gold, carry their own meaning? As we embrace this Mardi Gras, let's delve into the festive, vibrant palette of purple, green, and gold. Each color represents a rich tapestry of meaning that define the spirit of Mardi Gras, but also enrich our understanding and the color of symbolism of art and life. Purple is the color of justice. Traditionally, with the royalty of the divine, purple in Mardi Gras symbolizes justice. A regal color has been long used to denote dignity and authority, which reflects the festival's underlying calls for social order amidst the revelry. In our daily lives, purple inspires fairness and integrity, encouraging us to uphold our principles and to act with moral courage. Green, a color of faith, of life and renewal. It represents faith during Mardi Gras. It echoes the promise of new beginnings and the natural cycle of rebirth seen each spring. For artists and observers alike, green stirs a sense of hope and growth. It encourages us to maintain a hopeful perspective and stay committed to our values and beliefs, fostering a spirit of resilience and persistence. Gold, the color of power. It symbolizes the warmth of the sun, the richness of harvest, and the ultimate exchange of wealth. In the context of Mardi Gras, gold reflects the festival's triumph over mundane, lifting spirits and celebrating the best aspects of human life. In everyday life, gold enhances our environment with its luxurious and uplifting presence, reminding us of our inner strength and the potential for personal achievement. These colors, when combined, create a powerful symbol of what it means to be human. Our quest for justice and faith that sustain us, the power we share to influence the world. In the arts, these colors can be used to evoke special emotions, set a tone for peace, or convey symbolic meaning. As artists or appreciators of art, understanding the interplay of these colors can enhance our perception of artworks and the stories they tell. As we continue to explore and celebrate our crafts of creations, let's draw inspiration from these colors and bring depth and resonance to our own artistic expression. So here we are at the end. I hope you enjoyed my interpretation of Mardi Gras in this lamp. I so enjoyed making it, and I hope you enjoyed watching me create this piece right before your eyes. This collaboration is so special to me, starting with me going to ISU Crafty Kids Club, who really isn't such a kid anymore, but a very special young lady and an amazing crafter and artist, and has become a very special person in my life. And then on to Cynthia Porter Studio, who was the very first person I ever collaborated with, and it just so happened to be a Mardi Gras collaboration. She called it a parade, and who is a special friend to me and an amazing artist. So be sure to follow along to the next two channels. I thank you all again once for coming, for being a subscriber, and for being a Dollar and a Dream member. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Please join us with a Dollar and a Dream. believe in the magic.